first of all, we're going to set our spine in place. We're going to go from here and set our first area out. Okay. So these are where all of the front strokes will be, these ones, in this area. And now we're going to look at setting both our spines in. So if you look up here at this spine, we're going to set this in here. So it comes up in a curve. And down just past that arch. And our second one here is going to be just past this bottom arch. Come up and down there. There we go. Perfect. So now we're going to just pencil in our strokes. So we just want a couple at the front, 2, 3, quite spaced apart. And we're just spacing these out, keeping them close together at the bottom. And just one more to hit that line. Perfect. Now we're just going to reinforce that spine here. Add first stroke coming into that spine. And then a second. I can't fit a third in there, so there we go. And we're going to add some strokes to this spine. And then just one at the end, standalone one there. We're going to add some top line strokes coming into that spine, straight down to meet the spine. And we'll add another stroke in here to transition. So these are our skeleton strokes that we're going to template in, that we're going to tattoo in first, and then we can add our second strokes to them.